अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हमारा बीएस बॉटनी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का टॉपिक है वायरसेस। Definition of viruses are infections in genes that are too small to be seen with the light microbes. A cellular absence of nuclear organism cytoplasm membrane. No ATP generating metabolism. Do not undergo binary fission. Sensitive to interferon. Let you see interferon is a protein that is secreted by animal and inhabited the replication of viruses. Virus is derived from a Latin word meaning poison or slimy liquids. Life form. Viruses are organisms the edge of life. On the hand, they have genes and nucleic acids that make up all living organisms. On the other hand, they lack the ability to read and act upon information contained in nucleic acids. They do not have their own metabolism. Let's use the structure of viruses. Viruses are not cellular and therefore they do not have nucleus, cytoplasm or cell membrane. Virus is composed of nucleic acid surrounded by a coat that protects it from the environment. Let's use the components of viruses. Nucleic acid cure, DNA or RNA, capsid surrounding, protein coat, envelope. Some viruses have the additional surrounded layers below the membrane, wherein a complete virus is practical. Let's use the diagram of viruses. Capsid composed of many capsomers, nucleic acid, DNA, spikes, envelope. Capsids and envelope. The nucleic acid of virus is surrounded by a protein coat called capsid. Each capsid is composed of protein subunits called capsomers. In some viruses, the capsid is covered by an envelope which usually consists of some combination of lipids, protein, and carbohydrates. Depending on the virus, envelope may or may not be covered thus by spiky, which are carbohydrate protein complex that project from the surface of envelope. Some viruses are attached to the whole cell by meaning of spike. Viruses whose capsids are not covered by an envelope are known as naked viruses or naked enveloped viruses. The capsid of naked viruses protects the nucleic acid from nuclear enzyme in biological fluids and promotes virus attachment to susceptible hosts. Nucleic acid. The cure contains nucleic acid. The virus contains only one type of nucleic acid. It may be either DNA or RNA. If virus contains DNA, it is called deoxyvirus. If it contains RNA, it is called ribovirus. Deoxyvirus, ribovirus. The nucleic acid may be single-stranded or double-stranded. Types of virus. Viruses classified into four groups based on shape. Fragments, long and cylindrical plants, tubercular mosaic virus, isometric, roughly spherical polyvirus, envelopes have membranes surrounding the capsid, head and tail. In fact, bacteria have head similar to isomeric, tail-shaped like filaments. Virus, bacteriophage. Types on the base of host. Animal virus, rabies, polio, plant virus, tobacco, mosaic, cartoxin, life virus, bacteriophage T1, T2, T4, type on base of genetic consequence, DNA virus, RNA virus, DNA genome, double standard, RNA genome, single, double, linear. Positive sense RNA immediately translate, negative sense RNA negative convert into paper, from them translate segments RNA. Traumatic mosaic virus. Used partially from the pathogens too small to be detached by microscopes. Charles Chamberlain 1884 invent Chamberlain a filter which remove all bacteria from solution pass through it. Lanuke 1892 used this filter which led to discovery of tobacco mosaic virus. He thought that impact of tobacco might be due bacteria. Martinez 1898 reported that this was used to a new infection chance called tobacco mosaic virus. First virus is a single cell RNA virus. It has tobacco, tomato, pepper, cucumber, and ornament flowers. Cause characters pattern called mosaic. Cause decoloration of young leaves. Dwarf mosaic of light and dark green areas. Cause stunted growth. Leaf burn, elongated leaves, wrinkles or leaves usually affect it hot and dry weather. What uses symptoms of tuberculosis virus.